Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. I'm very excited because we've got a production update on the Unity Murphy Bed Lounge and the Wonder Murphy Bed Lounge. We've redesigned the dinette area on both floor plans so they're exactly the same. You're gonna absolutely love it. Come on, let's go have a look at it right now. Welcome into the totally redesigned Murphy Bed Lounge dinette area that's available in both the Wonder and the Unity MBL motorhomes. On our product video for the 2023 Unity and Wonder Murphy Bed Lounge units, we had a different dinette area. Going forward on all production models, we will have this dinette area. We're very excited about this. It's standardized, and look at this, power recliners on both sides. And you'll see they go all the way back like this. Super comfortable. Love it, love it, love it. Plus we have two wireless chargers, one on each side for charging your smartphones right there. Now we want to have dinner, dinette area. Look at this. This comes across, this pops up on both sides. Cushion goes back here. Look how comfortable this is. Got a nice cushion back here. Sit back. I have a nice, beautiful dinette area. Computer desk, work area, playing cards, game table, and of course food area for eating. I also love the size of the table, nice and big. There's no leg here, so I have lots of room for my feet underneath. And I've got two built-in cup holders. Great little design there. Both sides turn like this, so super comfortable to sit on. I can also knock this down into a day bed, sofa, chaise lounge. Let me show you how easy that is. Little release button here. Put your hand here, push it down, table goes nice and flat. Have a secondary cushion that comes in here like this. I've got a beautiful day bed. I have a sofa for relaxing, and you can make it into a chaise lounge area. Look at this, simple right here. Very, very comfortable, easy for watching that big, beautiful pop-up TV. Sit back and relax. TV also swivels for easy viewing. So two power recliners, fantastic. The big TV, love that. Sofa area, chaise lounge area, dinette area, and now we can make it into a bed. And look how simple this is. And we only have to move two cushions. One and two. Look at that, we slide that there. We have two locks on the Murphy bed, one on the left side, one on the right side. And then look how simple this is. This is gonna come down. Our bed support locks in place. Boom, boom. And look at that. Full walk around bed. As you can see, I can walk around the bed. So it's an island bed. And look how big, beautiful this is. Nice big bed. We have our landscape window, which is full-time. Bed up, bed down, landscape window, nighttime shades, and my favorite, built-in backrest support. Oh, great for watching TV, working on your iPad, working on your computer. Just super comfortable. Reading lights, simply press in. LED lights. We also have our control panels here for our multiplexing system. I can turn all the lights off, but just simply like that. But look how big this bed area is. Absolutely fantastic. And the important thing is it's a walk around bed, so I can get out, not going to disturb my partner. I can then go to the bathroom, I can get a drink, come back to bed, and it's super comfortable. Absolutely fantastic. All the redesign on the Murphy Bed Lounge, on the Unity, and on the Wonder. See one in person, it's a winner. Chicken dinner. Look how simple it is to bring it back up into a dining room area. We're just gonna lock this in place. Remember, you can leave your sheets on here, pillows go on the back. This just locks up there, that releases the lock. This goes up. Leg support goes down. We also want to lock the bed in place here. And on this side, that goes down. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Back to a dinette. Absolutely fantastic. Plus you can watch a TV high or old school console TV, remember those? Watch it down low. So production models will have a 2-burner spark ignition stove and a 3-way Dometic 2-door fridge. We've got the landscape window, so you have cross ventilation, you have lots of natural light, full time with the Murphy Bed Lounge dinette area. How fabulous is that? That is great. The brand new dinette area on the Wonder Murphy Bed Lounge and the Unity Murphy Bed Lounge, they're exactly the same. You know, you've got the big Murphy bed, obviously. You've got the dinette area. Push the table down, you've got a sofa area, chaise lounge, I mean multifunctional. You've got the big bathroom, you've got a big TV up front, plus you can also have the optional big TV outside and big storage. Look at that. Plus, on all Murphy Bed Lounges, we have the Truma Vario Heat Furnace and the Aventa Truma Air Conditioner, which are absolutely quiet and energy efficient. And on all leisure travel van motorhomes, the Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus Hot Water Heater standard. If you've never seen a leisure travel van in person, you have to go and see your local leisure travel van dealer. Great motorhome, the perfect, and I mean the perfect two-person motorhome, nothing better. And don't forget to check out our website. You can price and build a Unity or a Wonder Murphy Bed Lounge, see all the exact options, and you can price it out and customize it exactly the way that you want. Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, thanks for watching.